Welcome to Jikoni Magic's Meza. I've been away for so long, I know, but now I'm back and it does feel nice to be back. While away, good things happened and I was blessed with the sweetest baby girl ever. She's now almost 4 months and is always a joy. First off is our sauce or cornstarch slurry. The ingredients are 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch. You can vary the ingredients for the sauce to suit you. I love it when mine is slightly on the sweeter side, hence the tablespoon of honey. Next in our prep is the sesame seeds. We are going to dry roast them. Add about 1 tablespoon of them on a dry pan that's placed over low to medium heat. This will enhance their flavor by bringing out their nuttiness, which will enhance the flavor profile of our stir fry. Once they start popping, they will be ready. Get them off the heat because you do not want to burn them. Now on to our frying. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to your pan that's heated on high heat. You can always substitute it with any other oil of your choice. Once it melts, add 2 tablespoons of dhania or coriander stalks and 1 medium-sized onion that is diced into medium-sized pieces. Saute until the onions turn translucent, then add a tablespoon each of the white part of the spring onions and of ginger garlic paste that is roughly pounded. Cook this off for about a minute. Now add a cup of cubed sweet potatoes that are already steamed or boiled. I did not add any salt to them, I just steamed them plain. Raw sweet potatoes would not work here because it would no longer be stir frying. Next, add 1 teaspoon smoked paprika powder and salt to taste. Now would be a good time to add chili. I just don't because my older daughter has now started partaking of the family meals and she won't appreciate the heat. Next, add a teaspoon of your favorite dry herbs. After this, I added frozen vegetables. I already have an ongoing series on how I prep and freeze them on my Instagram stories. Once you get to my Instagram page, check out the highlighted stories. The tutorial is under food prepping. I also added raw carrots because I love the crunch. If you do not like the crunch, you can blanch them first or add them earlier so that they can start softening. Once the vegetables have heated up, add the slurry that we prepared and rinse out the remainder with a little amount of water. You really want to work fast here before the vegetables turn all mushy. But if you're fast enough, they'll still retain some of their crunch. After about a minute, once the sauce has thickened, add dhania or coriander leaves and the green leafy part of the spring onions. As a finishing touch, add the roasted sesame seeds and mix them in. If the meal is too dry, add some water for some extra sauce. Finally, I added some more sesame seeds because why not? Turn off the heat and serve. I love their nuttiness. Skip this step if it isn't your cup of tea. From start to finish, the dish takes at most 15 minutes if you're very slow. Otherwise, in 10 minutes tops, it should be done. Until next time, when we meet again for more delicious food, kwaherini ya kuonana.